Coral of Cowes. She's an absolutely stunning classic 1902 White Brothers 80-foot sailing monohull. Now this is hands down the best yacht video I've ever seen because Mainstay Rum rented her to make their ad, and it's called the Republic of Sunshine. I enjoyed this. It makes me want to run away and become one of the beautiful people, maybe lose a little bit of weight, but whatever. Coral of Cowes will take 6 guests in 3 cabins. She has 4 crew and she's Caribbean based. Enjoy the video as much as I did. I love it. So LSB baby, let's sail some boats.
Welcome to the Republic of Sunshine. A state dedicated to the pursuit of awesomeness. In the Republic, we enjoy only 2 seasons, incredible and out of this world. Here, everyone is exactly the same. Gorgeous. And this is our capital city. A little place we call paradise. The income per capita, whatever we catch.
You can stay